Chainsaw Man fans, are you sleeping on Kagurabachi? This new shonen jump sensation is taking the manga world by storm, quickly becoming the king of action fantasy. Intense battles, dark narratives, you need to read this hype. Seriously, the art is breathtaking. Hakazono's fluid paneling and brutal action sequences are a masterclass in visual storytelling. Every dynamic sword fight feels impactful, reminiscent of early Jujutsu Kaisen or Chainsaw Man fights. Beyond visuals, the story follows Chihiro, a swordsman seeking revenge for his father, in a gritty world of magic swords. Pacing is tight, stakes high, and world-building subtly woven, drawing you deeper into his dark journey. The hype isn't just memes, it's genuinely earned. Kagurabachi delivers consistent, high-quality chapters with compelling characters. Don't miss out on the next huge shonen hit. Go read Kagurabachi now.